Wondering how to get a shiny Master Ball in Pokemon Legends ZA? This legendary item lets you catch any Pokemon without fail, but earning it takes serious dedication. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech scoops. To get the Master Ball, you must be tied to Mabel's research, an NPC you meet early on at the Pokemon Research Center in the southern part of the map. To claim your prize, you'll need to reach rank 49 in Mabel's research tab. The good thing is, you don't have to track her down every time. Just open the menu and press X to collect your rewards as you level up. But climbing the ranks is a marathon, not a sprint. Your progress comes from completing requests and tallying achievements, like catching every unique Pokemon species to fill your Pokedex, surveying wild zones by catching all Pokemon in each habitat, and meeting catching X-type tallies by snagging Pokemons of specific types. And by the way, stocking up on cheap Pokeballs for low-level critters like Pidgey and Budew helps. You'll also need to unlock dozens of Mega Evolutions and other actions, like resting on benches, winning battles, and smashing Mega Crystals, and add to your progress. Linking trades with friends can even boost your points faster. But here's a twist. Unlike classic games where the Master Ball was a must-have for top legendaries like Mewtwo, in Legends ZA, Ultra Balls usually do the trick, and you can retry if you fail. So the Master Ball is best saved for shiny Pokemon or your personal favorites to keep them safely in your inventory as a trophy. So, are you ready to master the game and claim that Master Ball? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.